Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linus Pro and this is lab 8.12.5 and we are going to remove SUID and SGID permissions. So you have a Linux workstation that you use at home. You are the only person that uses this computer. So you want to improve security by removing the SUID and SGID from some files. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to remove the SUID from the following files: /usr/bin/gpa /sswd and then /usr/bin/new grp. Then remove the SGID from the following files: /usr/bin/wall and then /usr/bin/write, and you're also going to leave the permission on the files as they are. So I guess that is all we need to do in this lab. Let's go ahead and start up lab. So we'll wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, if by the end of this video tutorial you find this video to be helpful, you may also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed guidance on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. So let's go ahead and start up lab. You type in chmod space -us space usr /bin/gp /swd, press enter, and then chmod space -s space /usr/bin/new group grp. Then you press enter and then you type in chmod g-s space /usr/bin/wall, and then you press enter, and then you alright, so that is it. We'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, also consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Share this video on other platforms so that others can benefit also. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.